Ever feel like you're on a financial treadmill? You work hard, get paid, the money disappears in a flash, and then you wait, impatiently, for the next paycheck. We've all been there. But what if there was a way to break free, to take control of your finances instead of them controlling you? That's where budgeting comes in. There are tons of budgeting apps and methods out there, each with its own approach. Today, we're diving deep into You Need a Budget, better known as YNAB. But before we sing its praises or dissect its flaws, let's get real. Is YNAB the right fit for you? The struggles you need a budget for. YNAB isn't for everyone. It has a specific philosophy and requires a certain level of commitment. So, who exactly is YNAB best for? Let's break it down. The paycheck to paycheck pro. Living paycheck to paycheck is stressful. Maybe you know exactly where your money goes, but there's never enough left over. YNAB's core principle, give every dollar a job, forces you to be intentional with your income. Every dollar gets assigned a purpose, so there are no surprises and no room for mindless spending. The debt destroyer. Debt can feel like a never-ending cycle. YNAB excels at helping you chip away at it. With its goal-oriented approach, you can prioritize debt repayment and track your progress visually. Seeing those balances shrink is a powerful motivator. The saving starter. Maybe you struggle to save consistently. YNAB helps you build a buffer for emergencies and future goals. By encouraging you to age your money, ideally funding this month's expenses with last month's income, you create a safety net and free up more for savings. The budget skeptic. Tried other budgeting methods and failed? YNAB might be the game changer. Its unique, forward-looking approach can be a breath of fresh air compared to traditional methods that simply track past spending. YNAB superpowers. What makes it different? Here's what sets YNAB apart from the budgeting crowd. Rule-based system. YNAB isn't just an app, it's a philosophy. Its 4 core rules: give every dollar a job, embrace true expenses, roll with the punches, and age your money, provide a clear framework for financial control. Forward funding. Unlike many budgeting apps that track past spending, YNAB lets you allocate income towards future expenses. This proactive approach helps you avoid reactive spending decisions. Debt payoff flexibility. YNAB offers different debt repayment strategies, from the snowball method, targeting smaller debts first, to the avalanche method, focusing on high-interest debts. Goal setting. Visualize your financial dreams. YNAB lets you set specific goals, track progress, and celebrate milestones. This keeps you motivated on your financial journey. Robust support system. YNAB prides itself on its customer support. They offer comprehensive resources, workshops, and a thriving online community to help you master the system. YNAB, not a magic bullet, but it can be pretty darn close. While YNAB is powerful, it's not perfect. Here are some things to consider. Learning curve. YNAB's approach takes some getting used to. There's a bit of a learning curve, but the resources available help you overcome it. Subscription fee. Unlike some free budgeting apps, YNAB requires a monthly or annual subscription. However, many users find the value outweighs the cost. Hands-on approach. YNAB isn't a set-it-and-forget-it solution. It requires regular interaction and commitment to see results. Is YNAB your budgeting BFF? So, is YNAB the answer to your financial woes? Here's the bottom line. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, struggling with debt, or simply want more control over your money, YNAB is definitely worth a try. Its unique approach, combined with its robust support system, can help you break free from the financial struggle and achieve your financial goals. The beauty lies in taking that first step. With commitment and the right tools, you can transform your financial future. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time.